Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic yellow tone color grading on CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create new project on CapCut, and then I'm going to choose one of my videos here. I'm going to choose wait guys, I'm going to choose, for example, this video. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the adjustment, and for the adjustment I'm going to select the brightness first. I'm going to reduce the brightness. I'm gonna make it -3, and then for the contrast I'm going to make it plus 16. Okay, and then for the saturation, make it plus 20. And then I'm going to go to the grabs. Okay, and then I'm going to add more dots. Okay, like this, and I'm going to add dot for the red color as well. I'm just gonna make it like the yellow one. Okay, and I'm going to go to the green color like this guys, for the green color. And for the blue color, just do the same. All right, and then I'm going to click on the check mark, and then guys, I'm going to go back to the adjustment, and I'm going to go to the HSL, and I'm going to play around with the yellow color. I'm gonna increase the saturation, and for the lightness, increase it, and this one as well. Okay, you can play around with the yellow color and also the orange color. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the temperature. For the temperature, I'm going to increase it. Okay, I'm going to make it around 20. Okay guys, and now it's done, and this is the cinematic yellow tone color grading in CapCut. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.